Welcome to the Station Bakery! Today I am going to show you how I made this easy flour Cakesicle hot chocolate bomb. I am starting by melting down some white chocolate. I am adding orange, yellow, and black to create this soft cream kind of color. I will have all of the information for everything I use linked in the description below. I add the colored chocolate to my Cakesicle mold, making sure to spread it around evenly on the sides and the base. Then I use my hand to shake and tap the chocolate to cover and fill in any empty spaces that I might have missed. I pop that into the refrigerator to let it chill and set up, then I add a second layer focusing primarily on the edges because I don't want them to break. Now I'm adding in my regular hot chocolate mix. Then I insert my Cakesicle stick and add on another blob of chocolate. You might have to use a knife or your offset spatula to create a slit for the stick to go through. This is what is going to hold the stick in place so it doesn't slide out of your hot chocolate bomb. I let it set up, then I add my marshmallows. I am arranging them so they lay as flat as possible. This is important to get a flat back on this type of hot chocolate bomb. The back is filled in with chocolate, and I use my small offset spatula to smooth it out and scrape the edges. If you are loving this tutorial, be sure to check out my many other tutorials on my blog, The Station Bakery, where you will find more video and written tutorials, tools, tips, and a lot of fun recipes. New posts are uploaded every week, and if you are looking to sell hot chocolate bombs but don't know where to start, I also have business tutorials that cover things like marketing and pricing, so be sure to check it out. I let the hot chocolate bomb chill, and now I'm ready to remove it from the mold. Separate the mold from the sides and push from the bottom to release the hot chocolate bomb. Gently push the stick through the insert to remove it from the mold. To decorate, I am using these edible food paints by Poppy Paints. They'll be linked in the description below. Using a paintbrush, I am simply painting on the base of the flowers, and I will alternate between each of my colors. If I need the color to be darker, I add a bit more paint. These paints are great because they are easy to use and they dry quickly. Once my flowers are painted, I add my green leaves like so, and then outline everything in white to make it pop, like this. More hot chocolate bomb recipes and tutorials will be linked below, and be sure to check out these videos next. Until next time, peace.